Hi, I'm Natalie Sanderson and I'm letting you know about Red Mandarin. It is known as the temple oil. It's very good luck. It's the sweetest of all the citrus and the Chinese love it. But it's a very good fortune oil. So what you can do with Red Mandarin is it's beautiful in salads because it's quite sweet, and also in desserts. And also it's very helpful for the skin, so very good at toning. You could pop it into your bath, maybe add it with some lavender or add it with some aroma touch or geranium, something that you like to mix in there. You can also pop it with your shakes. So any shakes that you want to make up, or be it milkshakes or your protein shakes or anything like that, you can pop it in there because it's also very good for your metabolism. So there's a few things to know about it. It's part of the ripened part of the mandarin tree, and yeah, it's a gorgeous little one to complement all of your other citrus, and he blends so well with many oils. So I'll pop in below some diffuser blends for you, and also some roller blends for you that you can try and make up. If you liked this, give it a thumbs up.